and we're filming. Let's head off. The way it pops on decel, it really makes you want to think, I lost a nut for this gauge. It's fine. I got more at the house. But the way this thing pops, it makes you want to think that there's a vacuum leak, but then you hold it at a consistent amount of throttle. I'm going too slow to really... And the vacuum's just so consistent that there really can't be a leak. Man, it is hot out today, though. I hope I hit some shade on the way over. Should have wore long sleeves or something. I'm gonna burn right up. I'm just gonna burn right up. It's so hot today. It's hard being in this right lane because everyone's turning and there's no like special turn lanes, so you gotta stop every time someone's turning in. But that's the way she goes. Beautiful day to be alive, man. It's crazy. There's supposed to be some rain later, but it's just hard to believe. When you look and the sky is this nice. I appreciate that no signal. I'm passing you as soon as possible. You can see it's a little rich. It's richer than it was when I went against that Busa. I had 130 main jets in it before. I swapped it out to 135s because it was a little lean up top, just a little bit. It really needs like 132 fives, but they're out of stock. So I'll just stick the 130s back in it. I'm not typically one to go fast, but it's so hot out that I really have to speed just to frickin' not sweat. It's hot. Even going like 40 miles an hour, it still feels like it's high 80 degrees. It's very hot out today. I'm wearing the wrong color. There's a lot of wind noise. I hope you guys can still hear me. I like how effortless this thing can just cruise at 90 miles an hour. And it's like I don't even have a turbo on right now because I'm not hitting any boost, or I'm still in vacuum. You know, I'm at 0.0 pounds of boost right now. I'm making no boost. So I'm getting good at fuel economy. I'm getting a good fuel economy. And it's nice because it acts, you know, I'm getting good fuel mileage then. As soon as I crank into that throttle, I'm getting 6 pounds right off the bat as soon as I flip that throttle. And I mean, this thing pulls away in 5th gear like it's in 3rd on an R1 or something like that. I've had them all, and turbo bikes are the best. They're the smoothest under power, best harmonics. They're really just great engines. Not great engines per se, because not every turbo bike is equal, but it's a great addition for sure. And man, it's hot out today. I don't know how much boost we'll be hitting today. We're going to be especially rich because it is so hot out. Man, it's hot. It's so hot, you just feel that hot air. We'll pass this Honda. Going to 4th. It's gone. We'll get in the proper lane. I would have passed this Audi if I knew he was doing the same maneuver. That's the way she goes. Whew. Man. Yeah, I should have worn like a white long sleeve or something today. That would have improved my mood. Or one of those chill shirts that have like the water cooling system built in. I forget what they're called. Oh, what a cocksucker. What a cocksucker right before the lane split. What a cocksmack, dude. Oh, it's some fucking chick. Yeah, it's like, really? What, that made you 20 seconds quicker to your destination? It's just a dick move causing panic for... And it's not even like that's peak acceleration. This might be a cop behind me, so... it is a police interceptor. I'll just follow him reasonably. If they don't have the police interceptor badge, most likely not a cop. I say this vehicle in front of me is a cop because 1, it's got base level rims, right? It doesn't have premium rims. 2, the spare antenna's up top, right? It's got a pretty dark tint, which is strange. It also looks like there's a camera on the back right of the vehicle. Now, that could be the trunk lock. I'm not familiar with those new Explorers, but I think that's a camera. I mean, obviously, it gives it away that it's a cop now looking at it, because you can see the cage through the back glass. So that has some sort of police barricade built in. So yeah, I'm probably behind an officer or a retired police car. That's cool. I mean, considering he was going far faster than the speed limit, and I mean, is that a fake Silverado? The badges are fucked. I don't want to look at them and be all suspect, but and this gauge is kind of pissing me off. It's missing one of the back nuts on it. I don't know how it fell off. This one doesn't. The air fuel doesn't, but the boost gauge consistently falls, like the back screw constantly falls off it, so I think she's getting Loctited, or we're just going to weld the next nut on and call it a fucking year. I'm just chilling though. I think the cop respects that. I'm not like a traffic weaver. You know, obviously based on how pissed off I was at that lady who merged last second, you know. I'm not really someone to do that. Granted, I don't do that on my own right though. I'll gladly sit behind this officer of the law and, you know, not feel any need to go reckless. I'm just cruising behind him. We're trying to get to our destination.